Hello traders and investors, this is JC de Guzman of Equilyst Analytics. Let me give you my latest analysis of the Philippine Stock Exchange Index, or the PSEi, as of market closing on November 17, Thursday. So this is what we got. The PSEi closed on Thursday at 6,403.74, and it's still trading above the shorter term simple moving average, which is the 10-day SMA. I'm not seeing any alarming concern on its volume, since it's higher than the 50% of the indices 10-day volume average. MACD is also looking bullish. There is no formation of any bearish convergence between the MACD and the signal lines. Using horizontal lines, I have identified the support level at 6,065. We can say that 6,100 to round it off. For the immediate resistance, again using horizontal lines, I'm seeing it between 6,450 to 6,500. Now let's take a look at more specific numbers. The index went up by 11.65 points. That's 8.18%. The total turnover value is at 4.89 billion pesos. The number of advances, I'm referring to the number of issues, names, or stocks that registered a positive change as of market closing on Thursday. There are 95 of them. Declines were at 83. Unchanged issues were at 48. 48% of the total turnover value is courtesy of the foreign investors. The remaining 52% came from the local traders and investors. We do have a net foreign selling for the PSEi, and that means how many net foreign buying days did the PSEi experience for the past few trading days? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So meaning to say, the 9-day streak of net foreign buying was stopped today, since the PSEi registered a net foreign selling. And to calculate how much net foreign selling that is, we will have to subtract 2.88 from the 4.12 billion pesos worth of foreign selling. So with the foreign buying worth 2.88 billion and a foreign selling worth 4.12 billion pesos, we got a net foreign selling worth 1.24 billion pesos. Now, there are some sub-indices that closed in the green territory. I'll name a few. We have the industrial, the holdings, and the property sector. Among the indices that registered in the red territory are the financials, services, and the mining and oil sector. Now, I'd like to introduce to you my formula-based support and resistance calculator, which you can access for free on the calculators menu or tab on my website at equilyst.com. Go to equilyst.com, click resources, and then click the calculators tab, which is beside the analysis and dictionary tabs. Now, in this calculator, the support and resistance calculator, there are 3 inputs that you need to enter. One is the current price, the other one is the intraday low, and the third one is the intraday high. In this case, I have pre-inputted the numbers to save us some time. Now, as you can see in my snippet of remarks here, I recommend that you use the level 3 support and resistance outputs, particularly when calculating your reward to risk ratio. So take a look at this one. So these are pretty much accurate based on the universal way of computing for your reward to, for your support and resistance level using formulas. Now for the support number 3, we see it right here. That's about, what's the number? We got 6,338. 6338. So that's somewhere near here. 6338. That's it, somewhere right there. Right? This is spot. Now for the resistance, we got 6,458. 6458. So it's pretty close to the horizontal line that I plotted here. 6458 right here. Just right there. There you go. There you go. Right? So if you are not yet comfortable, or if you're not yet familiar on how to identify or plot support and resistance levels using horizontal lines, then you can use my formula-based SNR calculator on my website. You will find it on the resources menu inside the calculators tab on my website at equilyst.com. So guys, that's my latest update for the Philippine Stock Exchange Index as of market closing on November 17, 2022, Thursday. Now, if the international markets will register, I think they registered already, a negative change as of market closing on November 17. I'm referring to Nasdaq, S&P 500, and Dow Jones. They're all in the negative territory. You can take a look at the numbers on your mobile app, or on Bloomberg.com, or on any stock market related website that showcases the daily changes of the international markets. So it's more likely that our local borrowers will follow through on that trend. So it might just keep on retesting the resistance near 6,450 to 6,500. Again, 6,450 to 6,500. So it's still a rule of thumb for me, at least, to evaluate your individual stock. So make a decision based on your individual evaluation on those stocks that you may already have in your portfolio or in your watch list. So now, if you are one of my clients at Equilyst Analytics, then you can use one of your stock analysis credits. You can email me. Make sure that you email me between 3:30 in the afternoon until 6 in the evening, so that I can make sure that my analysis will make it to your inbox hours before the start of the next trading day. Now, that's just not it. When you subscribe to my service, you will also get the chance to have a one-on-one training with me online with my evergreen strategy in trading and investing in the Philippine stock market. To know more about my service, visit my website at equilyst.com. All right, so this has been JC De Guzman of Equilyst Analytics, helping you learn how to preserve your capital, protect your gains, and prevent unbearable losses.